Hi, I'm Marjorie Drucker, and we're in my kitchen today making a summer favorite, a raspberry icebox pie. It means we're not going to bake it in the oven, but we'll just cook the filling on the stove top. To start, we're going to bake a cookie crust. I've done this for you, but I will tell you exactly how to do it. You're going to get those delicious vanilla sandwich cookies, you know, the kind with a top and a bottom and then delicious cream inside. Break one package up, put it in your food processor, and grind it till you have a nice fine crumb. Then you'll place it in a bowl. You'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter, mix it up, press it into a 9-inch pie plate, and then place it in a 350-degree oven for 6 to 8 minutes. If this seems like too much for you, then head to your bakery aisle, buy one of those delicious shortbread cookie crusts, and you can try that too. Now I'm going to add chocolate to this cookie crust. I've taken a 4-ounce bar of chocolate. I put it in a glass bowl and place it in my microwave for 2 minutes. And this way I get a nice melty chocolate. Be careful, don't do it longer than 2 minutes or you will seize your chocolate. And you'll know what that means because everybody's done that before. So we're going to just take this melted chocolate, place it on the bottom, and what this helps do as well is that sometimes fruit pies get a little soggy because there's a lot of delicious juice and liquid on the bottom. So this is kind of a little bit of a protective barrier, the layer of chocolate, plus it gives an incredible burst of chocolate raspberry taste when you take your first bite. Now we're making the filling for our raspberry icebox pie, and it's as easy as pie, as if pie is easy, but this one is. So here we're going to take 3 cups of fresh raspberries, and in the summertime, if you go to the farmer's market, you can get a fairly good price and get them in large quantities, so this is when I do that. I have the raspberries in the pot, and I'm going to add about a cup of granulated sugar to these raspberries. Then I'm going to add 2½ tablespoons of cornstarch, and that's going to act as our thickener, our binder that's going to lock the fruit together and give it the gorgeous pie-filling viscosity we're looking for. We need a little juice to kind of get things stirring in the pot, so this is the juice of 1 fresh lemon. I also like to pump up the flavor in everything I do, but when I'm making raspberry pie, I'll add a little bit of raspberry syrup. It's easy to find. I found this in a Turkish grocery, but you can find them at the liquor stores where they sell fancy coffees and teas and syrups. So in this pot, we have raspberries, sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, and a little bit of raspberry syrup. I'm going to stir this, get it mixed up a little. Then we're going to put it on the stove. We will bring it to a boil. It will get thick. You will know exactly that it looks like pie filling. It will be very thick and goopy. So here we go. That was really quick. It only took about 3.5 minutes, and we have that thick and delicious red raspberry goo that we're looking for. Now we'll take the remaining 3 cups of fresh raspberries. These will never get cooked. So you have both cooked and fresh raspberries in the pie. I am stirring the raspberries, the fresh raspberries, into the cooked raspberries. And I want to do this really gently because I don't want to break up the wholeness of the berries, because when we cooked the berries, they sort of broke up and lost their shape. These fresh ones should look plump and round and beautiful like raspberries look. So now I'm just adding this filling into the pie, and I'm just going to spread it out. It's very easy. This pie is like really a 10-minute pie. The longest it takes is you now have to refrigerate this overnight so it gets nice and solid, just like pie should slice. So here we have it, our raspberry icebox pie. And now when you're getting ready to serve it, you can serve it with a softly whipped sweet cream, which we are doing today, or you can use a delicious vanilla ice cream, or you could even use a black raspberry. That would look really interesting. So we're topping it with some softened whipped cream. We're going to garnish it. I'm actually having company. So this is going to be the beautiful dessert that I hopefully am going to thrill my company with, but you saw how easy it was. It really takes about 10 minutes to make. And I'm going to add a little bit of fresh mint. And there we have it, our raspberry icebox pie.